Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this beautiful bubble braids hairstyle. So make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. So as usual, the first thing we'll be doing is to use the Darling Natural Twist long hair, and I'm using this hair in 30 inches. And I'm using this hair because of the hair texture, because it's like kinky and that's what you want to achieve this look. As usual, you'll be needing some hair products, and these are the hair products I'm going to be using today. And we'll also need a couple of tiny rubber bands to achieve this look, and I'll be using these combs as well. Now this is what my hair looks like, freshly washed, and I always like to start with the back, so I'm just parting the back to make medium-sized sections. These are the sections I'm going to be using. And I'm just tying up the sections to like separate them, since I don't have that many clips. I'm doing the same thing for the front part of the hair, and I'm just using a band to tie that up. And then I'm going to do a 3-strand braid for the section that I have already put out, and that's what I'm basically going to be doing to the rest of the hair in this video. I'm just going to braid the entire head, but you want to make sure that your braid is very neat and thorough, because you're going to be crocheting your hair, so you don't want it to loosen up or anything like that. You guys, I don't know why my voice is kind of in like a low register today, but it kind of sounds so weird, but it's whatever. Sometimes it's high, sometimes it's low, like pick a side. So basically, this is the section of the hair that I'm taking out, and what you want to do is to actually detangle it. You want to make the curls to be less curly. I don't know how to explain it exactly, but I'm basically detangling it to make it more of a 4C type of hair. Do you understand? Detangle it thoroughly though, and you can cut off any excesses or any parts that are not agreeing with you, and I'm just adding them together. I'd really advise you do this first because it's very time consuming. So after detangling, then I'm going to put my hair up, the braids that I told you about, and I'm going to put that up and start to crochet the hair. Okay, hold on. Let's rewind it so that I can show you exactly what I did. So basically, what you want to do is to pass the crochet pin through the roots of your hair, and then hook the attachments onto the crochet pin and lock the hook and draw it back out through the roots of your hair. Halfway through though, you're going to open the latch, and then you're going to start to draw out one side, just one side, not both sides of the hair. So you're going to start to draw out one side of the hair and just tug on it gently, and it's going to come out. And then you have two sides. You want to make sure that's in the middle, then hide your hair behind the kinky hair, and then start to like wrap the kinky hair around the roots of your hair. When you've made sure to wrap it tightly and properly, you're going to take that tiny band and start to tie up that end of the hair to secure it. Now you want to tie this up multiple times to avoid it unraveling while using the hair. So you want to make sure it's tight and secure. And then you're going to go down about a finger width length and then start to tie up that. Like, you don't need to do any wrapping or anything of the sort again. You just tie it up and make sure it's secure as well. Now you need to get original tiny bands or small bands for this. else it's going to break and it's just going to be so stressful for you. And you also need to take your time, because I did this hair for over 2 days. That's how long it took me, because it was just so stressful to do. Tying the bands over and over again, it was such a monotonous process that I just had, even in this tutorial, I had to speed it up at this point because it was really just too repetitive. It's simple, but it's very repetitive. So this is what you want to do like throughout the entire hair, and that's literally it. That's how simple it is. Then another thing you want to do is to try to, adjust the spaces a little bit so that it is plump, and you want to leave out the ends of the hair so that you can cut off the end and it would have a very abrupt end. I don't know how else to explain it, but you'll see at the end. For this second one, I struggled a lot with this one. It was the same process, but I struggled a lot with it. So I can't exactly use this to show you how I got it. But I just wanted to show that all you need to do whenever you encounter such cases is to just keep pulling at the hair gently. And when it comes out through the other side, just gently tug on both sides to make sure it's not tangled, and you'll be good to go. And you want to repeat the same process as usual. Wrap it, tie it, and then start to make your bubbles or your poodles. I heard that this style is also called poodle puff, and that's so cute. It reminds me of, I think it's a Chihuahua. I'm not sure. I'm very bad at dog breeds of dogs. But yeah, it looks really similar to that, and it's so cute and beautiful at the same time, and that's why I really like it so much. Guys, I just looked it up and it's actually a poodle dog. I'm not changing this voiceover. It's not a Chihuahua. I need to actually start to look into breeds of dogs. I'm terrible at it. But yeah, that's basically it. It reminds me of that because it looks freakishly similar. I think that was where the inspiration came from, probably. I don't know. But yeah. So when you're done with the entire thing, you just want to cut off any excess hair at the bottom and add some accessories. And this is the finished look, guys. Do you see what I mean? It's so cute and so beautiful at the same time. By the way, I used 3 packs of the darling hair, and I used about 8 packs of tiny small rubber bands. I don't know why I keep calling them tiny rubber bands, but yeah, basically that's what was used, and a pack of accessories. I'm just going to show you how to style the hair in a couple of different ways, and yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd like to see it if you try it, and I hope it turns out really nice for you because it's really nice. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tutorials like this. And I know my makeup is giving, so if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then be sure to click on this video right here, and I'll see you in that video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.